Welcome to Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Today we are going to discuss about Google Analytics. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics, or GA, is an analytics tool that gives you an extremely in-depth look at your website and/or app performance. It integrates with Google's marketing and advertising platforms and products, including Google Ads, Search Console, and Data Studio, making it a popular choice for anyone using multiple Google tools. Should you use Google Analytics? If you want a lot of data, and more importantly, have the time and ability to analyze and act on it, GA is a great fit. However, GA takes time to set up, learn, implement, maintain, and use. Is Google Analytics free? There is a free and paid version of GA. The latter is called Analytics 360. Small and medium-sized businesses will likely get all the features you need from the free version. Enterprise businesses need to upgrade if you want advanced funnel reporting and attribution modeling, roll-up reporting, more views, dimensions, and metrics per property, unlimited and unsampled data. How to set up Google Analytics? Before you start using Google Analytics, you'll have to set up a Google account. This means you must have a registered Google account, email address, and password. Once you have created a Google account, that doesn't mean you automatically have access to GA, rather, you have to register for Analytics. But the important thing to note as you go to set up GA is that you can only access the tool by using a valid Google account. Create a Google Analytics account. First, you'll have to create a Google Analytics account or sign into your current account. Add the name, URL, and industry of the website you want to track. Choose which account you want to add the property to. You should create and name your property at this point and enter the website's URL as well as industry and reporting time zone. Then you'll be able to create and finish this step of the process. Add a view to your property. Go to the account and property you want to add a view to. Use the menu to create a view, name your view, select the type of view, web or app, and answer a few other questions. Remember, you can add up to 25 views to a property in GA. Add your tracking code directly after the head tag of your site. When you create a property, you'll have access to a unique ID for tracking and a global site tag. Then, paste your global site tag right after the opening head tag on each site page you plan on measuring. You'll be asked to choose your type of site, static, dynamic, web hosting, Google Tag Manager, so that you can set up the data collection accurately. Visit your GA portal and verify the code is working. Lastly, verify your code is working. You can do this by looking at the real-time reports section while clicking around on your site in a different tab or on your phone. The report should show at least one visitor to the site. Google Analytics dimensions and metrics. I have found the easiest way to think about it is dimensions are equal to categorical variables. Simple examples include names, colors, and places. Dimension examples: browser, location, landing page, device, customer time. Metrics is equal to quantitative variables. Basic examples include age, temperature, and population. Or as my data analytics professor put it, metrics are what you can do the math on. Not the most eloquent phrasing, but it works. Metric examples: sessions, page views, conversions, bounce rate, session duration. If you want to know more details about Google Analytics, then why are you waiting? Join the Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Our training classes are online or offline. We are the #1 digital marketing institute in India. Our courses are certified by top university in India. We are offering 3 types of certified diploma programs in digital marketing. Digital Marketing Certification Program. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design UI and UX. Our training program during 6 months. First 3 months we teach about the course completely and practically. Next 3 months arrange an internship and live projects in top MNC companies. End of 3 months internship, you will get 3 months internship experience certificate in top MNC companies. We offers additional career support services for you. There are resume building, portfolio building, interview questions and answers, personality development, soft skills training, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills training, mock interviews, one-on-one mentorship, job portal, career counseling, and dedicated placement offers. Our alumni placed in top MNC companies. We have 3,000 alumni and 11,000 hiring partners. We have 5 branches in Asia: Singapore, Dubai, Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore,